Assalamualaikum. Hi guys, my name is Madesarika Putri Wikayana. Today I will explain you how to make instant coffee. First, we have a materials: instant coffee sachet, a spoon, a glass, and some sugar if you need it. Directions: first, boil a glass of water, and then prepare instant coffee. Have you both? Turn, then pour the contents of sachet into a coffee cup. Next, add sugar if you need it. Boiling water. Mix well using a spoon. And then finally, a cup of hot coffee is ready to drink. That's simple, right? So, thanks for watching. See you.